Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and today we are going to be checking out the Spigen iPhone 13 Pro case. This is the ultra hybrid version with MagSafe. Now we got the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro right in front of us, and this is the first video of 3. One of our subscribers asked if we could review this case as well as the JTech case right over here for the iPhone 13 Pro, unbox and see which one is better. So in today's video I will be providing my unboxing and first impressions of the Spigen. If you'd like to see the JTech video, make sure to check out the link that is down in the description, and then check out the third and final video of this series where we will be comparing the Spigen and the JTech. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. Really simple box. Matter of fact, this has been my daily rocker. I had another version right over here with a little sticker thing just for the car adapter. Now I do not have a MagSafe car adapter, but maybe one day I will review it. Any companies that are making MagSafe car adapters, if you guys would like to partner for an unboxing or review, make sure to hit me up. Link is down in the description. Anyways, at the back of this, you can see that it is packaged with earth-friendly material right over here. If we could get that focus, beautiful. It is made from 90% recycled paper. Slim design for perfect grip. Let's unbox it. Now, throughout my use with the Spigen case, I have really enjoyed it. It doesn't get oily easily, and honestly, it is just a very beautiful, clear case for your iPhone. It gives out the Sierra Blue color really nicely, and it does have MagSafe, which is really convenient. So here we go. There is the case. This is how it comes, and then as you guys can see, it is Spigen, so you do have many options on what accessories you could use. And then this just shows the inside and the outside. It has this paper film that we're gonna grab right over here. Beautiful, nice and satisfying. Then we got the inner one. And then we have the MagSafe one. Beautiful. Now immediately off the bat, you can see that it is made in Irvine, California, or it is actually Spigen from Irvine, California. It was made in South Korea. So straight out of the box, very beautiful design, very sturdy looking case. Let's pop it right up here. Let me actually do this and clear my notifications. There you go. And just as you guys can see, that is the case. Now, my phone does not have a screen protector, so this is the perfect moment to see if it does offer protection for the screen, and yes, it does. You can see that it has great screen protection. At the back, we do have optimal camera protection, and it looks beautiful. It looks pretty nice. We have our ring stylus switch cutoff, tactile buttons. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There you go. Whoops. Almost opened Apple Wallet. And obviously the Sierra Blue color looks absolutely magnificent. I mean, look at that, guys. Beautiful white MagSafe ring. Let's double check the MagSafe right over here. Sticks perfectly. Let's try to turn this thing on. Beautiful. So it is charging. MagSafe does work. And overall, very nice case. Obviously, it is clear. With my experience using it, it is very easy to slip in and out of pockets. It doesn't get oily. It does stay in the hands pretty good. And if you'd like a clear, simple case for your iPhone 13 Pro, maybe this is the one to get. But who knows if the JTech is a better one. So stay tuned for the full review. Make sure to go check out the unboxing and first impressions of the JTech. I do love this case. It's my daily rocker for a reason. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with notifications if you haven't already, comment down below and share it with whoever you may think may find it helpful. It's been Alex from Techrific, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. It's enough recording for today.